Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's These Trades here. Today is September 4th, 2025, and I am going to get into our trade recap of this morning's price action. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, coming into the morning, we had these London lows, these Asia lows here from the previous day. We also had right here our 8:30 a.m. news. We had a data high here. And then we also had red folder, again, 8:15. That was also another new set. So right here, top of that, we got the Asia high above here from the previous week. And then this buy side here. So coming into open, see the price works here. Immediately, 9:30, manipulate lower. We create a little SMT. I don't think this is on replay mode. No, it's not. So we made a little SMT here, swept at the low. After that, as you can probably tell, we immediately ripped up. There's a 30-second in here. I was unable to take that. After that, we took the both sides of data highs, took out the buy side here. However, we did leave the Asia high on both assets. Now, after that, I waited for a retrace in to see if we could end up getting a... Okay, well, I just took myself a replay mode. So if we get a retrace and then get an entry up to Asia high. However, we did not end up getting that, so then I waited for the 9:45 a.m. news, which was that right there. Oh wait, sorry, not 9:45. We have 10 a.m. news. I'm stupid. My fault. So we're gonna wait for the 10 a.m. news. So you can see we just accumulate, form these equal highs. There's our 10 a.m. So now we have our set of equal highs. We also have another data high here. After we take out all these. And then now, so we just wait for a setup towards, okay, if I can just stop doing that, please. Super lovely. Right here. So after that, we got our London low swept out and our Asia low here on NQ. However, ES did leave the Asia low. So now we have this data high, these equal highs, waiting here. So I originally saw this 5-minute that was going to open up. And as you can see, we ended up opening it, but we did not get the inverse. So then I waited for our resweep here. And then this was a 2-minute inverse. This is what I ended up taking right here. Once this closed, stop at the low here. And then take profit to be at the Asia high. And as you can see, we got the inverse, got your limit. Instantly data high, got taken, perfect. After that, had a little retracement, ended up taking out our equal highs just shortly after, right there. And then once ES took the Asia high, that is where I manually closed out myself, as you can see here. I will show you. I closed out once ES took the Asia high. And then it ended up, I can maybe promote it now. So that is my execution. It ended up hitting the Asia high, however, I saw it start to accumulate, and I was happy with the profit that I had for the day. So I secured over 2R on the day. It's my first trade of the week. Got my win back, or got my win for my losses. Wow, I'm stupid. I took a loss last week and I recovered it this week with this win. That's what I meant to say. Anyways, that was my trade. So I ended up taking the 2-minute inverse after we reswept the low. Left Asia. So we had SMT with the session low. 2-minute. Break even after this high. We had the data high, equal high, and then the Asia high as the final target. Pretty good trade. Anyways, if you want to join the Discord and watch this live trade, link will be in the bio. Or if you want to get the cheapest evaluation accounts, you can use code STEEZ for 90% off. The link will be in the description as well. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day.